Hey everybody, this is Mr. Gillette. I want to talk to you about how to balance nuclear decay equations. You can see a table at the top, and we have the three types of emission that we can have. We have alpha emission, which is the heaviest, right? It's basically the nucleus of a helium atom. We have beta emission, which is the lightest. It's basically an electron that comes flying out. And gamma emission is highly dangerous, but it's just energy. So what you'll see there is it has no effect on atomic number, no effect on atomic mass. It's just energy. What we see right here are called transmutations, things that happen when the nucleus change. Here's uranium. Notice the numbers on the top. Those are the mass numbers. And it's important that you understand that the mass numbers have to total the same on both sides of the equation. On the bottom is the number of protons, the atomic number. And again, that has to total the same on both sides of the equation. So the way to think of it is this is equal. This number and this number have to be equal. And so let's see. On this side, I have 238. And on this side, I have 234 plus something. Well, that something has to be 4, right? So that I have 4 plus 234 equaling 238. On this side, I have 90 plus something. And on this side, I have 2. So I have to have plus a 2. I look up here, and what particle has a 4 and a 2, and that's the alpha radiation. So we can represent that as a helium nucleus, and we can say that that's alpha decay. That's how you go about doing this. Let's do another one. Right here, it's a 234, and right here, it's a 234. So the number on the top has to equal 234 on this side, so I'm going to add 0 to the top. On this side, it's a 90, and on this side, it's 91. So 91 plus what equals 90? Well, 91 plus minus 1 will equal 90. So what does that mean? That's, if I look up top, that is an electron that's going out. That's our beta decay. So hopefully you can see that. All you got to do is pay attention to the atomic numbers and the atomic masses. 234 here, 4 here. So I need the number 230 here. So I can write a 2, a 3, and a 0. Sorry for the mess. I have a 91 here and I have a 2 there. So what plus 2 equals 91? 89 has to be my number. And then I have to look on the periodic table for element 89 and get the correct symbol. Element 89 is actinium AC. So that's how this works. You can figure out what belongs everywhere when going through that. 220, 4 plus what equals 220? 4 plus 216, so a 2, a 1, and a 6. 86 on this side, what plus 2 equals 86? 84, so an 8 and a 4. So I look on the periodic table, element 84, and I write down polonium, PO. And so that's how this works. I would like you to be comfortable with this as we go forward. Keep practicing, pay attention, and we'll call it, and keep trying to do it. Maybe you can figure out what would go here right now. And if you said 83 bismuth with a 216 on the top, you understand. Thank you.